Hey, what's up everyone, this is Wicked, and tonight I have the honor and the pleasure to show you the latest version of Albe95 Lollirom, which is kind of a combination between Samsung Galaxy S7 features, S6, Note 4 and Note 5. So I'm gonna get through all of them, but before, of course, I will talk about the design part, the performance part, and then we'll talk about the battery life. So take a look at the beginning of this video. It is 83%. So we're gonna be taking a look at the percentage at the end of the video. Take in mind that my device is now running LTE, so LTE mobile mobile network mode, as you may see, LTE. So without further ado, let's get into the design part. Since it is a Galaxy S7 brand new interface, it borrows some themes, some animations from the Galaxy S7 6.0.1 Marshmallow, like the recent side panel. This is the recent side panel that was borrowed from the Galaxy S7. So this is how it looks like. You'll have a little bit of lag here, but not such a big deal. Otherwise, it is pretty self-explanatory how the design looks like. It's this ROM is based on this ROM is based on latest firmware from Samsung 5.0.1 Lollipop PA1. So as you may see, Albe95 Lollirom version 8.0. So this is how it looks like. Again, another cool design feature that comes with this ROM is this beautiful notification bar. This is how it looks like, and this is how it looks extended with bunch of features we're gonna be getting through in the following moments. So talking about the design part, I'm gonna be opening some apps just to show you that it is rocking beautiful Galaxy S6, Note 5, Note 4, S7 apps, and this is how they look like. Again, opening messages, and from these app openings, you may already know that, you may already feel and see that it's pretty fluid. If we open up the camera app, as you may see, we have a themed camera app with the themed icons, and let's get into the performance part right now, because you saw every application that comes with this ROM, the usual stuff. So let's get into the performance part. I have done a Antutu my benchmark, and take a look at the score I got. It's a pretty decent score. It is 34,071. It's pretty good. Taking in mind that it has borrowed things from other devices which weren't optimized for this type of hardware, it is pretty cool. It's a great score. But otherwise, it doesn't really, the numbers doesn't really matter, if you, in my opinion, because the only thing that you need to take into consideration is how your phone feels in your hand, feels and behaves. So there's not such a big point in concentrating on these numbers. Let's take a look at the weather widget. Either way, if you want to know how to flash this ROM, make sure you follow up the card right there. Take in mind that you'll have to flash the latest modem with the same base as this ROM is, and I'll also put a link there in order to help you how to flash a modem, and of course in the description the link to the modem, the link to the files that you will need to download and to flash into recovery. So performance part, great. Now let's get into the features of this ROM, because there are tons of features that we want to discuss. First of all, let's activate multi-window. This is the multi-window default one. You can, of course, you can open up in a pop-up mode like this, but you can also expand them like this, and you can always get into floating mode by, you know, swiping from either the left or the right top screen corner, border, or whatever you may call it. So you may also activate another app in multi-window, for example my files, like this, and why not memo, like this. So you can do a bunch of different things, including playing with floating window and multi-window. Okay, let's get back here. Let me focus. We have ultra power saving mode and power saving mode. Let's get into ultra power saving mode. This is a well-known port. Let's see if it works. So as you may see, it's turning off all the unimportant features and keeps the default applications as main critical applications. So yeah, it works perfectly. How do you deactivate it? Turn ultra power saving mode off. I was searching for the three-dot menu in order to, you know, click. Option key will work as a recent tab panel. Okay, let's get back into the features, because there are a bunch of them that they want to be explored. Air view and air gesture is self-explanatory. We all know what they do, because they originally came with the Galaxy S4. Reading mode, do not disturb option, hands-free mode, screen mirroring. I don't know if this is working perfectly, since you know, since I don't have a, you know, a Bluetooth device or something like that to connect my screen to it. But we can test out the Bluetooth, because I have here a little hands-free, which I'm gonna be turning on. Also the Bluetooth, and let's see if it is popping out or something. Yes, as you may see, Bluetooth pairing request, yes, okay, and it is connected to phone audio. And now it's flashing like it's connected. We have here smart lock, new Bluetooth device paired. Skip your screen lock by adding as your trusted device. Yes, so what is this all about? For example, if you have a pattern or something, or a code regarding the lock screen, if you want to unlock your device, while connecting to this, you won't be able to enter it because it's recognized as a trusted device. So this is a trusted device. Yes, add. So this is a device that, let me show you. Actually, let's test this feature also, because this is an in-depth review and we want to talk about everything. Beaming service is ready. Okay, so for example, let me set up a pattern. Yeah, this is pretty difficult to see, but let's set it like this actually. Yes, and yes again, and backup pin. Yes. Okay. And let's see if it's working. So actually no, but your device is unlocked while connect, which you set as a trusted device. To force your device to lock, turn the screen off and then turn it on and touch the lock icon. Okay, so right now it's working because it's connected to a trusted device. But if we deactivate it, then you'll be able to see that it is no longer safely locked. So I'll put this hands-free away from me. And now let's get back into the features. We have toolbox. We have also download booster, side key panel, and of course the self-explanatory flashlight. Sounds pretty pornish, flashlight. So yeah. So let's see the toolbox. For example, you can take a screenshot with this. This is the extended power menu. And of course, this is the menu that pops up when you want to edit a screenshot. This is the side key panel. You can position it either on the left side or the right side. For example, let's say we're into phone app and we want to get to the screen, to the home screen. That's how it works. Okay, screenshot captured. You can also delete it from here. So, yep, that's pretty much it with the features. Now let's get into settings and see if we find something, different and unusual. In the lock screen settings, you'll get a default. Let's get rid of this pattern and set it to swipe. You'll get the default unlock effects, the popping colors. Let's see the light effect. I think you're really familiar with it. The ink in water, the popping colors you just saw, the watercolor. This is really cool. Take a look at this. Let me focus. The geometric mosaic. And I think I'll stick to the watercolor because it looks pretty awesome. You can also set up a wake up command in the lock screen. Display. I heard that it's a bug while setting your fonts to extra mini. But I think the battery font remains the same. So I think it's not a bug. Show battery percentage, you can hide this, but we won't because we need to know how fast the battery drains out. Sign notifications, power saving mode again, accessibility, motion and gestures. Of course, everything is working. Smart screen, air view, voice control, accounts here, location and security, battery. Of course, we have the brand new. Actually, it's not a brand new application, but it's something that you wouldn't normally find on Galaxy S4. This is a smart manager. It will help you, keep control over the battery life, the storage, the random access memory. As you may see, it is 79% used, and I haven't really installed anything, which may be a minus for this ROM because it kinda eats hell of a lot of memory. As you may see, 80% used, 83% used because of these shitty Google Play services. Everything pops up again and again. So yeah, with some kernel customizations, this is running a stock kernel, so you may want to, again, as I told you, flash a modem, the same base as this ROM is running on, in order to make Wi-Fi work. But you may also install Imperium kernel, which will also help you in other ways, like setting your SE Linux Android to from enforcing to iMercy, something like that, which will help you install Viper, for example. So Viper doesn't work with that function on. And you may also find an application on Google Play Store, which will allow you to easily customize all the settings, for example S-Tweaks. But regarding the battery life, I think it was 83% at the beginning of the video. Yep, it was actually 84 to 83. So right now it's 77. Taking in mind that this review is almost 15 minutes long, I would reckon that this is a modest, not the greatest, but not the baddest, not the worst actually, battery life for a device that was overhauled with all these features. It is a really great, performance to battery life ratio. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. This ROM is pretty stable, and why not, let's admit it, it's a beautiful ROM with some kind of lags, but they're not present at any time, and it also benefits of themes, as you may see. Project Hero S4. This is the Galaxy S7, sorry, not S4 theme. We also have home screen settings, the transition effect, sorry. And this is how the Galaxy S7 theme looks like. Yeah, I can pack because you cannot customize everything. So yep, I think that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like my video, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe right down to my channel. By doing so, you'll keep me motivating doing this kind of stuff. Again, a really quick notice. I have to tell you, it's a sad thing, but I cancelled my Galaxy S7 order, and there are a couple of reasons why I did that. The first one is that it doesn't benefit of a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor chipset, and the second one is that they fucking haven't integrated a Air Blaster, so they got rid of that, which is really bad news. So yep, Samsung, I'm sorry, but I'll have to pass this Galaxy S7 in favor of maybe a Galaxy S8 or a Note 6. So yeah, I'm sorry, guys. So that means I'll keep I'll keep alive the videos regarding the development on the Galaxy S4 as far as it will be supported, sorry, by our beautiful developers like Albe95, for example. So again, thank you for watching, guys. Wicked Android is out. Bye bye.